today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add icons to Figma with Font Awesome. Add icons and logos to Figma tutorial. By the end, you'll be able to pull high-quality icons and logos straight into your designs in just a few clicks, keeping your workflow fast and consistent. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. From your dashboard, open the design file where you want to place your icons. It can be a new frame, a wireframe, or a polished mock-up. This process works the same either way. Next, look toward the top of Figma and open the Actions menu. This is the quick command palette that lets you find features fast. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use the Quick Actions search to get there even faster. Once it's open, choose the Plugins option so you're specifically searching for tools you can run inside your file. In the search bar, type Icons 8. You'll see the Icons 8 plugin appear in the results. Click it, then click Run. This opens a panel where you can search for icons and logos. It's a great way to grab commonly used symbols. Think social media logos, interface icons, or clear pictograms for navigation without leaving Figma. From here, add the icons to your design. Use the search field inside the plugin to find exactly what you need, then click to insert or drag the icon onto your canvas. Because these are vector shapes, you can scale them without losing quality. To keep your UI consistent, try setting a standard size like 16, 24, or 32 pixels across your interface. You can also change the color of most icons by selecting them on the canvas and adjusting the fade. Fill in the right-hand panel to match your design system's palette. As you place icons, align them with your text and components using Figma's smart guides. If you're using auto layout, drop icons into the same frame as labels or buttons to keep spacing consistent. When necessary, group an icon with its label so they move together. If an icon is inserted as a component, you can detach it when you need to make small edits, but try to keep components intact for easy updates later. Finally, feel free to explore the plugins library to discover alternatives and different styles. The goal is to keep your design clean, readable, and consistent while saving time. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective.